Once upon a workday dreary, while I labored worn and weary, or a file of codes and queries, scattered memos on the floor. While I nodded, nearly dozing, suddenly there came a hosing, sprinklers bursting, servers closing, smoke and flame behind the door. Just a spark, I questioned hoarsely, but no worries even worsely. After all, we can just restore. Yet the fire, fierce and biting, turned our drives to ash and lighting, and the water, though inviting, drowned the racks upon the floor. Still I smiled, though nerves were snapping. We've got backups, no more napping. Let's begin the data mapping, bring our systems back once more. Spin the disks and mount the volumes, bring our systems back to our views. Surely we can just restore. To the cloud I sent my query, fingers trembling, vision bleary. Type the keys with hope and fury, run the backup from before. But the screen returned a warning, like a ghostly voice of mourning. Restore point failed this morning. Corruption found at Sector 4. Then again, no tested image, no clean copy, nothing more, nothing left that could restore. Surely not, I cried in panic. This is madness, this is manic. We had backups, daily, weekly, stored in vaults and mirrored sleekly. But the logs were cold and broken, and silence, softly spoken, seemed to whisper one grim token from the server's molten core. You never tested your failover. You assumed it would just restore. Now your data lives no more. And the partners, pale and shaken, stood in silence, trust forsaken, as the court dates fast awakened, and the clients stormed the door. Gone were files of litigation, wills and deeds in arbitration, all consumed in ruination, lost to flame and smoke and more. All because we never tested what we assumed would work when nested. Now we face the void. Restore. From the ashes rose a lesson, not in law, but in confession, that assumptions breed regression, and neglect becomes folklore. Had we tested, had we tried it, run a drill and verified it, we'd have caught the fault and tied it, sealed the breach, and closed the door. But we didn't. Now we wander, haunted by the word, restore.